Hey y'all, Nicole here, your Gulf Coast gal. I am really excited for this stop this morning. We are off of Lorraine Road in Gulfport and we are at the Island Garden Shop. I follow them on social media, but I've never been here before, so I'm excited to take a look around, see what goodies we can pick up, and there's some beautiful weather today, I must admit, so it's the perfect day to be at an outdoor shop. First things first, walking in, you can see all of the amazing plants and flowers. Oh my goodness. Marigolds. I definitely am going to go wild in here. There's something everywhere you look. And then they have an awesome indoor space too that I'm really excited to go check out. I follow them on social media and I'll be sure to link all of those platforms down below so you can follow them too, and they post regular updates on some of their stock items and some extra special items that they get in. Oh, look at these baskets, and they're all ready to go. The butterflies are so happy. And there looks like there's a big greenhouse out there too. Oh my gosh, I am in heaven. Look at all the different flower varieties in this basket. This is Lantana, one of our faves. Wow. You can tell everything is well taken care of as well. And they have some fruit trees over there. I think some herbs, chives and spearmint, and cilantro. I don't think we have cilantro on our farm. Might have to scoop that bad boy up. I love this ivy ball. I don't quite know what it is. It's really cool looking. What do y'all think? Picture perfect. Rosemary. Parsley, dill, green onions, basil.
Thank you. You too.
And look at that fern. Oh my gosh, it's huge. It probably comes up to past my elbows. Wow. Blackberries. Oh, these are so fun. I think they're called rabbit's tails. I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. They kind of look like it too, huh? I might have to scoop up one of those. Oh my gosh, I have to go get a cart. Sunflowers. All right, I found a cart outside, so we're gonna scoop this up and go start picking up some goodies. I'm really excited. I can't wait to go check out the greenhouse. I don't know if it's open for guests or not, but we'll find out. And then I love, love, love the inside. Look at those wonderful chandeliers, and I love how the tables are all set up for display, but they're giant spindles. Oh my gosh, and they also have frozen foods from local farms and things, I'm pretty sure. And all kinds of cute little gifts and jams and sets. Wow. The sky's the limit in here. I just love that, don't you? And then it looks like they have a cooler section with fresh tomatoes and squash. Oh my goodness. I love whatever this is. I think it's a tea towel. Yeah, it's a hand towel. I might have to scoop one of those up. Happiness. Oh my gosh, I love puns so much. And then hummingbird season, so they have all their hummingbird stuff out. Okay, Yes, we're gonna grab one of these. Okay, my cart is pretty loaded up so far. I have the cute little bunny tails. I have some bandana lantana because it's the Gulf Coast guy's favorite. I scooped up some amazing peppers, and this is like a variety pepper. Look at all of those colors. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I also got these peppers, which I've never seen before. They're like time bomb is what they're called. I thought that was pretty rad. And then some cilantro, and of course that tea towel, but wow. And then inside they have these super cute little sprout rise and shine pots. And then this board is amazing. It's perfect for charcuterie or something, and it's super thick. Charcuterie is super hot right now, and it's only $45. It looks handmade. Super cool. And then I saw these amazing little kits over here. If you're starting a garden or have some little kiddos at home, you can pick up one of these. I definitely need the pizza one at my house. And then the honeybee habitat. Oh my gosh. All right, so we're gonna head to the greenhouse area back here and see what they have to offer. I am for sure in heaven. Also, I love this bag. The Gulf Coast guy and I actually ventured to Costa Rica and did a coffee tour. Wow. I'll have to see if that's from the coffee house we went to. But let's go. Oh my goodness. More amazing hand-carved wood pieces. Super reasonably priced, and it looks like they also offer gift cards, gift certificates, if you can see right there. I adore these bowls. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. Let's go outside. I'm sure I'm gonna rack up some more fun for my wallet. Just walking outside, you can instantly smell the amazing smell. I think it might be these right here. I don't know if they're gardenias or camellias. Do you say it Camilla or camellia? It's spelled the same way, right? This is my dream, to have a greenhouse this big. Oh my gosh. Look at these cuties. I love the brand, Gargoyle brand. So fun. If you are into succulents, I would definitely recommend you cruise on by. There's so many different varieties. Wow. It's one of my faves right here. So many hanging baskets and all kinds of basil. Basil does really good in our South Mississippi climate, so I definitely recommend, if you love some Italian food, caprese salad, pesto, to pick up some. I feel like I want to ask to move in because it just feels like paradise, especially on a beautiful day like today. Giant fiddle ferns. So cool. And then there's a side section over here. We're gonna have to explore that too. And as the seasons change, their inventory changes, of course. So you can come out here often and check things out. Awesome ferns and some roses. Let's go check them out. Ooh, look at those. They're gorgeous. Hope y'all can see. Wow, look how pretty. I'm so excited that I decided to cruise on in today to the Island Garden Shop in Gulfport. It's right off of Lorraine Road, and they have a little bit of everything. I love that it's spring right now. The weather is beautiful outside, and you can see a lot of what they have to offer. Cruise on in. They have herbs and vegetable plants. Their vegetable plants, I believe, are 40% off right now, so be sure to scoop that deal up if you are in the neighborhood. This will not be the last time that I come by. Be sure to follow along on social media if you want to see where I put all these amazing plants and things that I picked up today, and cruise on in. Definitely. I can't wait to come back and pick up some of the stuff in their freezer section as well as in their cooler area with the vegetables. If I was headed directly back home, I would be doing that right now because a lot of that looked delicious, but we'll just have to come back. That's it for me, Gulf Coast Gal. Be sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date on more activities, attractions, and awesome local businesses just like the Island Garden Shop you can only find here in the Mississippi Gulf Coast.